Hi and welcome. Today we're making a Christmas card. Cut a piece of paper, fold it in half and we're ready. Put the card on the paper and draw around it. We're making a sketch large as the card itself, within the square. Although such a motif is all present this time of year, some would say it's a stereotype. We shall see that any motif can be done in an interesting way. I will separate the motif in smaller planes and play with positive and negative space. Positive space is represented by the planes that form the shape of the Christmas tree, and the space between the planes will represent negative space. Sometimes we want to repeat the exact same motif more times than one. We can transfer the sketch in many ways. One of the easiest is to use a special transparent paper. Usually we don't have that special particular paper, but common baking paper will do just fine. After we're satisfied with the sketch, cover it with baking paper. I'm using a B pencil and I'm making thick lines. The pencil marks the graphite is facing us. Take the empty card, turn the baking paper, and the graphite is now facing the card itself. By applying pressure, the graphite particles are sticking to the paper. We can do it with our fingers, but it can get a bit smudgy. It's much better to do it with a pencil. Go over the same lines and we've transferred the sketch. The lower part, done with the pencil, looks much cleaner. That's one way to transfer the sketch quickly. If we're not satisfied, we can always fix it up a bit with a pencil. In our next lesson, we'll paint the Christmas cards. And as always, relax, be creative. It's going to be okay. Good luck.